Hello everyone. Welcome to Analytics Live channel. In this video, we'll cover what data streams are and why are they essential in GA4, types of data streams in GA4, how to set them up, along with key settings and pro tips. How does the data streams work? Whether you're setting up GA4 for the first time or looking to optimize your tracking setup, this video will guide you through everything you need to know. So let's dive in. What is data stream and why are they essential in GA4? In Google Analytics 4, data streams act as the data sources that send user interaction data to your GA4 property. They allow you to collect and analyze user activity across different platforms, including websites, iOS apps, and Android apps, all within a single GA4 property. Types of data streams in GA4. Number 1. Web data stream. This stream tracks user activity of website. When you set up web data stream, GA4 provides a unique measurement ID, starting with G-, which you can integrate into the website's tracking code. This allows GA4 to collect data such as page views, scroll depth, form submission, click events. This stream is essential for website owners, marketers, and analysts who want to understand user behavior and optimize website performance. There are many important settings that we should do for the web stream to collect a precise level of data. To watch that, we have a separate video on the top 10 configurations with benefits and pro tips. Link in the description. Number 2. App data streams. You'll need to integrate the Firebase SDK for your mobile apps Android and iOS to collect analytics data, which includes app events like first open and app uninstalls, app launches and user sessions, screen views and interactions, button taps and feature usage, e-commerce events and in-app purchases. How to set up and configure a data stream in GA4. Website data stream. If you're setting up a web data stream, enter your website URL. Provide a name for the data stream. Enable enhanced measurement to automatically track page views, scrolls, outbound clicks, site searches, video engagement, and file downloads. Click Create Stream. Copy the measurement ID and add it to your website using Google Tag Manager or by pasting the tracking code manually into the head section of your site. Tip: it is recommended to integrate GA4 using GTM and send data in single stream as long as business purpose is fulfilled and to avoid data inconsistency. iOS data stream. Click on iOS app when adding a new stream for iOS app. Enter your App Store ID and app name. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and integrate the Firebase SDK into your iOS app. Once the Firebase SDK is installed, connect it to GA4. Enable the required event tracking options and click Save. Tip: ensure you also set up Apple's SKAd network in your iOS app for better attribution tracking. Android data stream. Steps are similar to iOS data stream. Click on Android app for adding a new Android stream. Enter your app package name and app name. Tip: if your app already using Firebase, then always link your GA4 account directly from Firebase. Otherwise, GA4 will automatically generate a new Firebase project for your data stream, which may lead to duplication. By setting up web and app data streams, businesses can effectively measure their digital performance and make data-driven decisions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos.